Hey everyone, before you continue using WhatsApp, there's one important update you need to know about. If you have ever received random calls, suspicious texts, or unwanted messages, your phone number could be one reason scammers were able to reach you. But WhatsApp is changing the way people can connect with you. Soon, you may be able to share a username instead of giving out your personal phone number. That means you can keep your number more private while having greater control over who can contact you on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see find the settings option, open settings, then go to account. After that tap on username. This is a new feature that allows you to create a unique username for yourself, and instead of giving people your phone number, you can share your username with them. If someone knows your username, they can contact you without knowing your phone number, and there are fewer people who have access to your phone number, the better and safer it is for you. Now tap on create username and enter your username you want to use. For example, I am using my name Jack. Below the username field, you will be able to see whether your chosen username is available or not. So try to create your preferred username as soon as possible. Over time, many users may be taken by other people. Once you are done, tap save. You will then see that your username has been reserved, and very soon this feature will become available to everyone. WhatsApp will notify you when it's available. One of the biggest advantages is that if someone finds out your username and you no longer want them to contact you, you can change your username at any time. Just tap the edit button. That's much easier than changing your phone number, which can be a much bigger hassle. You may also be able to create a PIN code. This PIN can be required before someone who knows your username can contact you. This adds an extra layer of protection against scammer and spammers. To set this up, tap on the contact me by username option and choose the people who know your PIN. You will see a PIN code. If you want to allow someone to call or messages you on WhatsApp, you can give them this PIN when necessary. You can also always find your PIN code inside the username tab in settings, and if you ever need to, you can change the PIN code from other as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.